flaming snowballs, but safety first, so gotta pump the goggles on. Right here we have calcium acetate, and we're gonna mix in about 100 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol. Like, this is kind of like the rubbing alcohol you get at home when you get a cut or something, but it's a lot more concentrated. See, already you can tell it's kind of icy. It's made of this thing called an emulsion, much like when milk goes bad, but it doesn't smell as bad, I think. So basically what Layla's doing right now is she's grabbing it up and squishing out the excess alcohol. And basically what we're going to do is when we light it, it's going to be the alcohol that's going to be flaming. So that's going to be the source of our basically our flame and everything. Smells delicious. You don't want to play with these outside. Unless you're playing with someone you don't like, then by all means play.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically when it burns, the alcohol, it burns at a pretty low temperature, so you can grab it with your hand and, you know, if it's got some water on there, it's pretty doable, I think. Okay, let's play.
So you can kind of juggle it and it gets kind of hot because it's a little hotter than, yeah. So, this type of alcohol has 3 carbons, unlike butane, which has 4. So it's a little less hot, but it's a bit hotter than ethanol, which has 2 carbons. So it gets kind of hot when you hold on to it for a bit.
And basically, the calcium acetate, or the solid that forms, has a lot of really tiny holes in it. So the isopropyl alcohol is trapped inside, and that's why it's taking quite a bit.
No. Yes. It's like it's like burning my hand. Oh, okay. Well, that didn't work. Well, you can basically juggle these and throw them at people that you don't like, if you want. But I mean, when it's going through the air, basically the air and then takes the fire out. So get a big piece if you're gonna throw it at someone.